logistics industry still runs on that human expertise, right? That is so, so important. So how does intelligent logistics software, like what your team is doing at CXT, empower teams rather than replace them?
Yeah, no, you need actually more touch and you actually need more humans in there to be able to go make that happen. But you have to do them obviously exponentially more efficiently,
Hmm.
right? So how do you actually look at the routes that are out there and optimize that with real-time data from not only, traffic and weather, but all the other things that are needed to adjust for that delivery person's day?
Right,
How
right.
do you ensure that you can really things like computer vision to enhance their capabilities to drive a better proof of delivery based on the image quality or being able to look at the packages actually being left at the door, or even on the back end, where again, if you're looking at the dispatchers, being able to scale up the number of actual drivers
Yep.
and the number of actual packages that they're working with. All of that, again, is on the backbone of technology and on
Hmm.
automation, but really enhances their business because you can now handle many, many more times volume than what they can handle today.